Every beginning carries a story, and the story of humanity begins with uniqueness. From the delicate lines of a fingerprint to the timbre of a voice, to the way a smile forms, no human being is ever a repetition of another. These differences are the secret of creation's beauty. Nature, with poetic precision, crafts every detail uniquely. No two leaves are ever the same. No star shines in the sky like another. And human beings are the most beautiful expression of this uniqueness. Each of us carries a story reflected in our faces, our movements, our very existence. From this truth, we draw inspiration. With deep respect for individuality and in celebration of differences, we seek a path where beauty and strength reveal themselves in each person. Because we believe life is not repetition. Life is the rebirth of uniqueness. And every time we witness this uniqueness, we rediscover the wonder of creation itself.